SOMPA 106.5 FM so eni abusia yamo akwaba yamo adwo esan so ema watenase frɛ obi no bi so frɛ obi no bi frɛ obi nka nkyerɛ obi sɛ ebrɛ na so sabre ebrɛ ne so sɛ dia ne yɛde ma wo no ye frɛ no hot bite we ye nea Ghana nkomo no a ɛwɔ se yɛbɔ mu na wo hu nea ɛkɔso ɛwɔ man yi na tifi na naafo na puo ye ne atoye ene mfimfini ne hano ba bia ensem no a manfo ka chiachia ne pa ne amanfo nya ho akuduro emfa nka no ne agye bre ene akuduro ne aka ka ne nyina kama ne de abobom na fe yagye muaye papa no ede afiri ho ede amaw hot bite eso eni erunti frɛ obi na ka kye ne se medimafo ba center dawro ma wodi ma yenti ye ba besom wo ewo bra Joseph Kenke enso abode chidom na yade ensem nyina ede ma o kama ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra and afi SOMPA 93.1 eno ye SOMPA ba atan no eno ewo asantemanta mukumase wono so agikase na wo bopete kama ama obi anso enya bi etie na afi ye betwa bosompo ne akwa amanone France ahinkro Paris mu no eho ena adamfopa radio ebutu a woche kase ne nyina abo apete efri sabre kwa nyina no SOMPA 101.1 e watakwa 103.3 watakrade 106.1 e watachimai 98.9 e wosunyane 90.7 won kranza ena 101.3 eno e SOMPA doma wo mu nyina je kase na abo apete enyi wo nko a ba ko fon sentimi nkata nyame ani doma FM 100.7 wache kase no kana hia ba no radio enso agye kase na ebo pete ama bibia atumi akoboko na fei Kingdom 106.1 FM eno ebutu mankasim ono so agye kase ya ebo pete a omanfo wo nyina no ebenya bia tie na bibia atumi aye kama na ne nyina atumi akoboko abusia wono madawroma ena wo mo ye asempatre dwumadie no ede amayen na bibia atumi akoboko afei frɛ wobi midin ede odomankoma KYEAME OBREMPONG na KWUKU AMPOMAH na Ghana nkomo ne yewose wote ne de no yemfa ma wo enano ena Constitution Review Committee womo agyeje oman Ghana mu adwenkyere bebre ema enam so ma nipa bebre ekyerotwero nkrata de ko yese yamamra 1992 Constitution na sese wanya be 34 years no wacha dodo wanyini waba akokra 34 years wanyini ena sani ya na ese edu nkatia mo beka no wei womo anu mo so amunimade no no womo adwene mo abobe no womo ama bra no ya cho Constitution no enti womo kwaji dwomfo ma no ene kayayefo no womo adwen kire no mo cho Constitution ena ebinum hu ne se saa bre no na ya cho Constitution no na ye binum ene ye binum adwen kire ebinum selfish interest na no person protect ebisi as a Constitution no e bompanimfo bi ho ban na yen wa ase no de anim yen eno nti so obi ko wi abode a ebe hu se eye kom eno ode ko wi abode no a ye ma ne be 20 years na so obetimi aforman sika twetwe de bebre ne aka chense acquitted and discharged ne ye ja no no okọ eno na amanfo bebre e ka fa ho se afi Constitution na akora no ase ede tumi bebre di amama mpani dodo amama mpani ni tumi awowo ewo Ghana ha no eboro so ama wobi nya bi eno achi amanfo bi so se ye Constitution amamra na nkasa no ama se sa presidential term of office ye 4 years wakwaboro so 8 years no amanfo bebre se da bi na no President Kufuor kan asemi mampani Akufo ado aka bi mampani Mahama kan bi ne nyina ne se 4 years ya de be ma wo bi so on family president awo ma yi mu no se wohwe why campaign nyina wie obeba obeseti apple cabinet obeseti o ministers be ko through vet ne ade nyina be wie no na wo ye twa 1 year kra wie an sa wo 3 years e bia wo dwem adwempo se obesan akobiem the second term sa 3 years no enye no more 3 years ebedru ni aye friend no normal 3rd year no no na campaign so abedru because ye besi afia de beto aba no mu no o sa ya campaign ti wunya hu twabre sɛ wode bɛyɛ adwuma no enti sɛ under normal circumstance no mampani bi bɛyɛ adwuma mpo a yɛ na wɔne se the second term of office no and wetimi de adwuma because sabre no de ne nan agye fam sabre no de watumi eyi ne ministers no wahunu sɛ ne yɛte bra obetim de we wa lay foundation ni nyina ɛna wɔde ato hɔ enti second term no owura mu a na esi osi dan ne de asi so ɛno na wɔn agyegye adwenkyerɛ no a keka bom no de committee no ɛho nkɔmɔ na wɔtwe atwa mu no mu no empo no ede ba de besi na wɔhwe a yɛwura mu nei ana yɛwie no efiri kyerɛ kɔ empo no brana supreme court wɔn edi 150 years anniversary no na special guest ɛwɔ dwumadie no ase ɛyɛ professor Nana Jenopoko Agyeman wɔkɔka wɔ dwumadie no ase se ɛnkyɛ constitutional review committee no wɔn adwenkyerɛ a wɔn akuru kyɛ no paper so kakra ɛde kɔma amampani no aban wɔbɛkyerɛ white paper ɛde ato so mebo sa ne na mo ene se ene ye wa hwa ena attorney general eto nsade friends entwerefo na woni ye keka bia na wo che so se constitutional review committee no wo mo aye mo adwuma nyina awie na ni a wo mo de aba no aban asom na wagye atomu atwerɛ white paper de ato so enti se ye de be ye adwuma presidential term of office no se ye yi de free 4 years e de ko 5 years ne binum kura senke yenye no 7 years and yokɔ one term no ano no nanka wawie sei ni ayede aba ne se 4 years na 4 years ye de kɔ 5 years afei obi a obese odi mampani monka nkire ayifo no mo se mudu 35 am betimi adi president amena yeye why yenom de yatwam kura enti kane no ne de ato wo se senka wunya 40 years a wuntimi stand for president e wo man Ghana mu se wo ma ye afiri ho say ebraso kohwe Ibrahim Traore mo ne ayi ada African countries ni bia wo mototo abama mabunu a obadi president na no Obama kra ba no how many years Emmanuel Macron mo no mo how many years wo enti ebraso say enkokrafo no ye gya wo ho na afi ye fa mabunu no mo kyekere man sense adwene poi wo ne tirimu no e wo ne tirimu a ye fresh nanso na constitution ne ma wo kwan eno akoya se wako suku na wie wa adwene po a obetim de aye bibi ni nyina be wie no ye twan ama ne ye rusty ansa na ya ye na begina so afi na ya prepare ye grumi wa ma wa ben sata na adwene na aye mre mfaso bia papa bia anhye da ni adwene ne so a wode ba beboa wo man nti wo ba he ni aye ne say Mr. President, everything is cool, everything is all right. Ni aye ne sa enti wonu amu no woni bre ne adaje na no hwe akokora ya Museveni ya wono wo san kwa pre another term wo kwa 100 years still waso wo besa akọ eno na ha adwene pa no eno na constitutional review committee ne say nya de a wo mbe pene bio ama mampani nso agye atomato white paper to so say yamfanye 35 years nti say yanom say kura de yatwam ho ye betimi adi president ni bia mena ye yie kura afei wo mo kekeka ko anim bebre ekoya akosi say sabre yi pa de unya 35 years kura na se amanyoku a wo join ana wo ye independent candidate kura no a wo betimi agina bi na bibia atumi aye boko e de ama na ebra Dr. Dominic Akrotenga ayene wogusu a wo ne ensem ne de wo kan bi pa wo kan ya akosi se mampani kura se mampani betu tax oh yes mampani allowance kura wo beje kura betu ho to e de ama on se unim se Ghana mamra no kura no obi chawade kura na so kotu ho tax gift tax wo ho enti e wasanka bibia baba unye sika ofam kura so kotu ho tax nanso asemra no yaya no bibia wo ho enti se ya mamra no ye chichechiche mu kakra yi mu kakra enti one of the key recommendations womo edi abane bie ena ma oboso edi a che na we hunti yenkwa homa ne so na ye ne Professor John Osai Bobie Boahen we governance expert wasan ye lecturer e wo KNUST ye ne no enkomo prof otimi nka sompa ye ne yankrabata hodo ni nyina so nie hot bite so nie ma joy
yo
prof ba chona honam boko de
Nyankopon daroma boko
e de urade ase yenso ye ho ye wo ha pa prof anwumre ye da so agye brani ye bon komo na ene attorney general ena wabekire aban tirimupo white paper aban atro de ato constitutional review committee no wo report wo de akone so kire se Eja ye offer asefo ni nyina betimi adi president ni bia mna ye 35 fo no. Minimum age aban so agye atum 35 years. Presidential term of office were extended from 4 years to 5 years. Eja eba ne say ya. Mo na eya na amamuo no mote ase pa. We mampani kufuo kan bi. Mampani akufuo ado kan bi. Mampani mahama kura kan bi say 4 years ni swa. Yentwimu kakra. 5 years eye ana still kayamfa kakra nka ho.
Yo me da se. Mechia atifo ina. 4 years ni 5 years semu abai. Me imagine mu die. Obi a obebo model no. Umani 3 years ko obeye bibi.
Okay.
America for yom dia democracy anim. Britain. 4 years ko ya. Development is also. Of course, your other countries are more than 4 years. And to me, no, and 4 years, no, and then Mampunchuma. And then 5 years, no, and I didn't put you beba. Nina, a bino, so by principled. War battle, Ukra manifesto. Yes, see, a Juba Ukoye, Yamon, fear 9. What you have to say, fear 9, over me, Abu Mino. I had done after Koduk and TV, I said, I've been fear 9. Is what? Me, I disagree with your papa before, I disagree with your mama, because I agree with your papa before the soccer idea. And he said, Nipa does a woman 10 years and no more, dear Momody. Every tiawana di man no e dia no di yeye ni ti shebe no si shegu akwam timu pobe no ojira so eya se me di mi si shebe ya juma oh ye na ya head institutions kakrakra ebra ya dia ma no ene na wo hwe aye won tutua no won hyehyeye enti ebra no ba so say 2 years I would need 2 years no winning baby a free winning baby a wabedru and only baby a do be cro enti binia ya se am se jama feti ano ba and na fechire na dia fechire
wam se oba set up cabinet to be ministers be we wa convert ni nyina na what do we akura
binia enya no kura baby a me no to me akwadufo kasa so nipa bia when is wadi hu no so ma no ebre bia de be ma no no enu no hwe so toto ne noama no make results but when you is wadi hu anasa ani so wadi hu ekura no enya wa wo dia ana wa won transin do so no ansana ukura abamya no mu a ya ma tayi ya zikura be siri. Yes.
Na, Baba.
You see? With you. You see? Sir, who you are, man, penny? Now, what position? The what?
Aye.
And I will study a banner, no,
and yes, you are more than.
And I will say a banner, man, in fear 9.
Aye.
And I will see any through on your farm.
Engineers, why do you fear 9? No bet him the baby.
More exactly. And then I could draw the answer they have been feared, Anisha. To get one say, policy when I'm neighbor, program that each policy who any acquire me policy in here, challenger me what any me by APPIAH parliament crown, me call for no so, but my factor in into it. And then I want to make a results. And then I'm quite so yeah, you see what fair no. And then now quite be unfair, you can't what you. And you also see if I being cow.
Yamfa yes, you become Parano.
Am I you only a man winning that I am sorry?
Okay.
Who fairy our fairy? So, yes, yeah, okay, Milia. When you are me, and Quadani entrance and Anka, you who have been Casse, Profokai. Ya when you probably I do a man to a who do any panel to ya within a short time who resource. Obi so dey no beto adwara no who resource. Dan kotokani sha make asembi. Na no ya na metie baakofo adwafo nsensem. Almost see obi ayi the lawyer dey bi. Best afide no nsi ho. Ebra wo si ho wo si abeton baako.
Allegation bi o de ba any bino no.
Say woman asama kan say no kra. Ni asa na yake no. Oh, yes, you won't mean and ferry a mention. Sort ya say. And we are buying and now say we are a mommy. Uni atia kunya say NDC tia kunya sui. Na MPP ba umia se muni mfiri ho. Na yemfa memra. E die ntini yemfa umra. Why you on to ya no hihye with the timeline. Edi ato ho. Edi na chese ni awahihye with the timeline ato ho no. Unja do ho na sa be ka se go for chere me.
Prof, asema wabusa de asi ba bia say timeline ya waka ho asem ye. Eno na amanfo se ne o kan ya yi messages e ba ni nyina amanfo so mo ne wo ya adwene pa se amanyafo no ma yesese bi omprako. O ma na hen kura no a wo de be kwa akoda de don to die no ba bi oda no. Wabebo modern a obehu wo mo modern a manimfie ha wo mfa nya hwe enu nti na ka ye hia national development plan na nka ye mfa manifesto nya adwuma we no and the constitutional review committee na anti
and the anti because you see national development plan around it and a party be able develop the manifesto ya nchi shani saying ya pesa by 5 years time 10 years time. Na Ghana free pempenso we akudun pempenso we. Ya yes and na 10 years no. The first 4 years and you say the next 2 years when you say compare the last years no and you say ya shishani na. And na who just develop manifesto. Oh, and the consistency. Ebeba ya man yosem. Na we there aba we ba no akekere medium pese ya sane ni sei we ba no akekere e be se ya kekere ni sei we ba we eden e koso no eye dan e na wo twa ho me kan kire me se 4 years na ye de ma me no e sha sabe 4 years no e constitution e hin ye ka se fire jamboli which aspect of the constitution e ru am no
enokre
constitution no hin any a car fire jamboli constitution no hin and a chair will say for 2 days for 3 days you members have it go ban no nim ni pa do be buma no
na unim de da
enye nipa na no yo campaign no enye nipa na no develop manifesto no
omo ya campaign
na wo develop manifesto no
manifesto no mo say that committee and your expertise to
Exactly. What you expect? It's what program out of the excess, and then you back on the bed down. Maybe at the bed, actually. Why your son share with me? I don't know. I say take you 1 year and son what you have set up with cabinet. I don't know. I say take you 1 year and son what you appointees. Oh, until the mammy can say,
okay.
On the part any neglect also leaders will be on my no mobile woman to be fair and firm. Me my teacher ni
okay
with the syllabus na
no correct
syllabus we say by 4 years also to be covered sad way na kwada no de kwayen so he
uni excuse bia
I didn't tell us me say ka say there be munya 5 years yes I mean to me enche nkwala na de nwi na afie dika na afie na me be busa nkwada ni din abisa ba bi obi afire ahwe aduane obi apɛ ene sa kwakwa na sa sem no to me see follow ya disua send you see extra there emi e ka say school we omo bo modern no dia e dey nti na mo bo modern because omo follow syllabus no and omo di syllabus no dia ya adwuma nti agua man kwada ni nya nimdia passing so hwe and you the bar man you say the same thing, there's no difference. You are a politician. We need national economy. We need senior economy no matter industry. I would wear man. We need senior city. We are about China and so much. Say, look at the situation. I want run telling about universities. We are friends at polytechnics. You ensure production. The BI buy and sell. You see, and then Ukraine. Ukraine. I didn't know all of a sudden there will be a war who have the ultimate export drones.
Aye.
Yeah,
what to me export had to be Ghana.
Now, a dear pioneer, will be a war who to me, dear bro, and be Africa.
Aye.
Those who walk
no correct.
And the Ghana.
Now, the Ghana problem, then yet the term of years have been your name attitude not change.
Personalities, the attitude. Some politicians take Ghanaians for granted. And a young Ghana for us here, quite before, yet, when I know, when we are making, you see, your problem can see about Ghana. No. Obi who are making, Obi and commercial, say, I saw for the politics, no, yeah, and a woman shall come, we are not preaching salvation. Yet the Christo, Nquadiana to China, and ye created division. And yes, I saw for to make a political party, we say, now most of more here. We at a Bible preaching some.
Papa, baby, command about who are no the amount for us, no debia, a bayasem decacra. Age limit no, say, you reduce from 40 to 35. No, one see we no just say, Ebe my yama bunu no kwan ama yetimi de hu awura mu yiye eno sa no am ya adwene ana so nkokrafo na beji aboso
enye nkokrafo na beji aboso situation na beji aboso say one yan to 2 year emfa won say 35 ni be president e be the same thing so man no yan to 2 year ni hihie ni an say yesuban ya kofa 35 you only 35 ni be president e be the results be the same. Jamaica, they are not bringing the Okrana who they don't learn. They don't want to learn. Your mom are very brilliant, they are very intelligent. But it is also a hand tiny of Maso, society or me the teacher. Teacher me anybody on one me tell my dear no man in time. And then I'm to me tell woman in time idea because with the Obama woman. The Brahmin was my woman. And to almost see a ready some back Guinea matre. Semi tell Quadia, a Misuku for Adia. Adia Boamekesi, a respect. That make a tell me school for Saga. Mutina Church Amutriswallow. We are meeting in the Abia into Uber University, yes, you in fact book in radio. You the research. They do a member who student in assignment. Output are the Bebano, the way the Bebano, we a good lecture, I won't say unique, IB associate Obedient in the Afusobiba, only say, why are branching to whom Yansa obey me, I answer signing Diano.
Okay.
And the woman far, no, why improve upon it? And they avoid the next class.
Okay.
Make out one time, the student to be by me home. Over here, I dear nature, no, say, sir. You know, one chance I deal with, I'm saying, I'm who quiet about me, that's what child the corner and about it.
On my Nankasamuni panel, you ensure that you're innovative enough.
Exactly, that's the key word innovation. You see, innovation is the key word. And now, or passing a bit pure innovative ideas. And see another thing. But fanfare, where am I? Where am I? Where am I? And now, no more country Tanzania, one more president. And a back to ASA, Nazi SA, and a by SA, Omina governance. Any problem with it? Say, Nipanu was the skill to deliver. When a citizen, or who can say, Yamano, kwan no ye na juma however say me need die wa afoforo mu na say je say me de bagusu afo be twa me hu sia ansa na me keep impact there then it's another wrong thing to do. Intermediate or my Ghana a constitution I almost almost ban 2 minutes crabino the open way. Nemo me will be there 5 years and make us say
okay
4 years no our agenda no to ho Magana for you know who free here na program way you say do stage these are the stages in implementing the program such as here and within 4 years no obia be hunu ni awaye
enokre
ye be bu ye nseba ma
mate prof
but any fanfare ni fancy things abo o man Ghana
me da se prof enkomo de afi ni asase enti mayamfa we ne nkonkon hansa da chi bi ye be sa prof bi o why
Matia me da se
Ghana for so nkomo de pa so aje brena na abonko we nim se beto aso akire hope
Matis
right abusia for depend bonko we eh Professor John Osaibo bie boahen we governance expert ono aba na mamuo no mu a wa be ne pa na yene no abonko mo no wasan so kira de KNUST KWUKU University of Science and Technology na yene no abo enkomo nti but prof kire say we akwara obewuo no odini she popu chem kuro obewu akwara obewuo no odi opa na akwara obenya nkwa na anu a debris bubugu nkrofo osu akwara 3 years wa shase 3 days yakoyi no na oguso te ase entu ya ndan a obenya nkwa obewu a odi opa fane ko se nkwa home na nkwa home boto no a wo ho no fane ko sem obekọ no wasense ne dem enti emfa ho ne 5 years emfa ho se ye bekọ 6 years emfa ho se ye de bekọ 8 years as one term of office wabon nyame na meka prof na eka prof se ba ne sa wabon ba ne sa na akwa se sebe wadware preko na wabon pada pa wanunu ne ho odi afi ato ne ho wanunu ne mu kama ato na no lipstick or lip shine e de lip gloss cross an fa ho uwie be wie na afi abon pada so ya akwada akra abon pampa ya ka ho dai pa aka ho na wajano wakwe hwano da atechenum se etwatu na wode akosha atechem enti prof say sa na amanyofo ne tie wobebo no homoden so a na anu nkrofo ba yom ka se be project bi sei bi o hwa ba ye no a first year no anu ahyase na wa start the project no na oyekọ wobebo no homoden a wo hwe ye se amfo e na kire no nto aso ye besi uso nso a ye hya wo ma nya kasa tenten e na enya ma enya ha ma enya emfie do enti we no see the 5 years ni adwuma na say so wo mo ba na ye nhunu hwe ya ni ye hu se ma manyofo no mo ha no wo mo ne mo sere kwa ye no mo kasa tenten ni entopo nko ni bia e na wo mo de mo yes ha e no na prof a chechi mu sa e de amano abusia hye ne so se hot bite ene hot bite kasi ye ne nto aso sa no a e na egusu a ye kekabo mu e de ema mo sa e wa ha no a na hye ne so ma me se medimafo ba center e na aso asene ema yede ema wo ena Joshua Kenke enso ebo ye chidom ama yetimi asomosom papa ekwan so enu nti momoden na fe oni wo mo eni enkomo eni kasubom na fe bibia entimi enye fine abusia ye kwa homa ne so tew na ye ne Dr. Samuel Adujamfi ye ne no akwa akobon komo wono so oye political historian wono so kira de e wo KNUST yene no bon komo doc otime nka hot bite so e was SOMPA 106.5 so nie majoe
ya
me pacho na ohona mu bokọ de
kidanto ya da madawo na oye
ye de urade ase yenso ye ho ye wa ha pa doc ye da ase se we de ye frɛ wo short notice na nso esan o man ne ho donti waje ye so na wo ne ye bon komo na we de taw ya asem kese pa ye busa constitutional review committee se omodu o nyema nyina koma aban atwa white paper ato so say upese odi president a enye 40 years bio eye for 35 years ubetimi ye di president say wa ahoden ne nko a afei presidential term of office nso we dey free 4 years e dey 5 years eye asem de esanse binum say obi obo moden no o ma ne 10 years kura first year na odebo no homoden ne nso ne o mo no homoden no o ma 100 years kura still won't be fa nya hwe safui doc oni wa mo ya adwene na nkomo yi o chafa wo mo ne sen
yo me da sem for na ma me ka we van twemu me sada me say mu ko to gesa ci fom nyansa ni suhu eni enfidodo ene agene nkwan mu eni ntino yanti asiese ibremu ha the average age no o share over 2 billion yakeka kono ya domo a APS wo we di Africa ni mu no o share average age no a data no kire say up to teenage years up to 35 years continent mu nipa no ye mebulu ne doso wo no den na nkokora nkwa na ehwe omuso
asem sebe
enti uhia se yeti ase se yehia both black and white keys to produce a melodious sound ti uhia enyi na wosan so ehia emrantie sem na bawo sem akanfo ano atetero man edi bebi kamya yese awo bibiri mu ha no so be ya brantia anasa kitisia didi kan no wa committee crime will be anaso wa yam from so kese sense o ya brantia anasa babawa iti wo ya brantia ya babawa ne de wa fom sai susuye no emma abrofo ene nipa aka wa mama hodo no efa o menu nipa brantia ne mabawa wonim di wosu hu a wotu bebribi e di wokɔ ebribi wo krom e sa se krom ha no sisi etna wokɔ so ko sisi e ba be wu a ye sa be bi be wu a na so asa ne tu aka se oye bibi a ayi nte ya how kesi pa into the age factor so be what 35 years becoming a president no in a Judeo Christian Bible and ye traditions as Africans say we to me do Gabriel 8 years or 9 years. We need to make a teenager. They share the kind of leadership of the offer and if you force what a child Russia. The crowd will be still be become for an old Kenya. Same panel, you have been one. The woman at the war and your woman will be shy. The woman at the war was also Shinaka, one more brother, yes, uncle cry. Into the kind of if you swim neighbor. And yet, in Fiduba witness as he saw her. Now, Oban also be seen with the big one. Now, that's what Simukena. It is age 30, 35. It's not a question, it's not an issue, and you're problematic. It's, the bit me can 30 cry because at the age of 30, what you say, across so we are into another generation. At 30, we are prepared because school, if you nursery, the back and I got and the bar, the come and go back, since Yako junior school, secondary school, I think you first degree, no. You are going national service, you do a crack on your who be through in field, no. Now, what's the first phase of life? 30 years upward, a implementation. We are trying to retire some other demand. It's a mistake. In common one, you know, I am commanded. Now, young fat and any suhi papa and fansom near Muhumbra. Yeah, so you are another part of your question that was so to Mubiana.
The other part was say presidential term of office from 4 to 5 years. Yes.
Usha, Singapore, Malaysia, and some of these Asian targets and over Francia. Amanya, woman, are fortunate to have political leaders up. Woman, you know, work on my pass over small man for heading to the abroad man for. Woman, you know what time mobile and field, you know, what then science will go by. We have seen that in that development trajectory. Unfortunately, when you say, we are at the born in Swa, nobody can, or man for so come here, but now almost so few the how they it's, the question we need to answer and say, or man for no, where they can fulfill the key. It can fulfill a man for the Mupino, San Colia, and a man for she said, Miss Rebecca, we be how, or the American. So we'll fill a man for them never. It's in the young say, acquire the first way, you can form a who be here. We are say, a better back ɛyɛ dikanfo a wɔnim de wɔwɔ akoma pa nsusua pa nyansa ɛne ɔpɛ pa yɛde bɛsom man ma ɔman no akɔ so ɛba saa no deɛ then 5 years to another 5 years 10 years 10 fantastic good. I've even got 7 years at least, which is 14 years. Yeah, no more yeah, Christopher at the end you believe in numbers kakrania but say they don't come. It is very significant. Say when you will be a war in Genesis, we know Trump also feel so at the stretcher. Will be to me why you no matter see the woman. I didn't feel so class and cut what the end of Daniel cry. But say Oma sebi ebidi mu a obi anagene atia ebidi o man so enfie ni confusion one man for so e ho be pra o papa obehu say na sense it is based it raises the stakes for the state for man for interest you keep money to be democracy it be so ni even say a developmental democracy a democracy provided the public good. Some amount for Abrabo and you know, say, you be you become for, say, the panel be or any person come. And yet, if football party, 7%, but me pa, you need to be to me about my Ghana. It's really na you miss your hopa. So, man for you need the Ghana man yourself and the Ghana Punto. Now, enquire NDC, the MPP, say you. Reading we will be a banner, said you must be or the call before my call. And it's in a better house. And I think that Ghana is evolving, the democracy is evolving. Both is very complex and complicated. You can't take them for a ride. And no bro for Abeka, and no bro for Awuka, and you school our school. Yes, if I answer Yakuma punish for that ball, my Ghana. It's the years limit, 5 years will reasonably good because Oba election, no. Obi form the cabinet now 1 year call. We have to carry you. Will be not essential rather the next election. It's a mere ancestor, the technically crown and can so I can never. Upon Fiensunan Koya, we deep with you now call Napo Fraba. Oh, call a year in Fiensun swap pew so now be the only cry and a crack and sir. You are not that PC.
Doc, now, before we know, baby, you know, some of the views say, campaign, no. Now we him say a fear nine number 1. Enti o campaign now o manifesto ni nyina no onso mo committee a wo motete e dey expertise no o here finance o here governance o here we
shadow ministers ni ade nyina
enti before baba agban mu no unnim say nipa we na mefa no as minister wa form kra opposition awie as how dey baba be enti say oba you just hit the ground running enya afa na besa ye kasa tintin bia wo mo sa no no mo nya adwene.
Oh, they be so hit the ground running, but there are other exigencies and unaccounted for. Uti bench out to who match and come up at the to the other. I be flat here now, and say, sorry, we future football coming account. It's another certain unforeseen circumstances to me back. What you are here. External market forces, so many things can come to play. But the business, so yeah, when you say yes, selection, we a good coach, I do. We a good coach, I do. And a banner not to the players, we are really good club to the World Cup. Was no man will be changed to your spine injury. It's a strategy, or the back park. Now we will call that a swab by fire. You will say, and see to a banner in your one or Faba, then mum, you will have bread come out between you. It's uncommodity, and commodada, it will be a normal for 40 will be a man you see. This is a COVID-19 scene. Oh, it's the kind of cranwano, so we will lead an allegany yabu, lead an yadia, or bet me the how they are COVID-19. Lead an yadia, so or you don't know, but COVID and so hand. American. It will be one when you do. Oh, at the end of the day, a leadership in here, and now back from Quack. We bet to me say, oh, how many money, why in Ghana problems? They will show us that define the Ghana problem. Many are journalists. Just say they all want to me next day. We in Ghana how? It is here by definition of the problem, and I say it's setting up a team. But no, from one, any agenda would be kind of.
Okay.
We have to make leadership, but I didn't know who so come. But Nipan or Bano say penny pan one with him or a penny passama
Papa, I don't come in you na. Baby, I'll carry your casa home come on. I want a man who says, hey, now home barono, and no man is ah. Before I answer, Manu, I've been a better minus what it is.
The Casafa or the Camphor home while did it man charisma.
Okay.
Now, okay, let's show bo. Nipa the moon in Christian to Nipa the moon in a or crowd home any pedia. Oh, we nipa. Yeah, I see a woman nipe na kono and then a pediano. And yes, say, or the best small man for non pen of my say, Nipan or the baby for. Huh? One man committing a baby Sabia, Bois Africa. Patrice and Mr. Lumumba, no one and command. Abrofono, and a old juju, and the bomb with that, or may come be Pam woman, Yomobasa, who did all over. Ah, now, officially. We are the groom, Madame, as I said before, and then you do the how or start here on your Kwaku. Go
on. Prof, doc, that's a pan. We nanka nkomo we ebetimi ayetenten pa because afena discussion na hyase enti bre kwa yanimo no yebesa babio na afe yato aso ne atwemu yie na afe nkomo a wache because wakan aka say oye Canada ni oye America ni ukita American citizenship card kura so keno free ata kura kwaji green card wo hoi wo betimi asamba abe prepose position for
na me na adentina wo tumma Pan-Africanist construct, all Africans are the same everywhere. We have a common destiny. When the Nkrumah normally do more, normally idea a pushy yet. Now the economy to America by I said, I is a constitution. The delay or no year can in Yako green card to America, that's what America passport to your Ghana. No, but drew a Ghana, a Yuswa, not immigration for accents on your Ghana. And then we see a time here.
Oh, and we tell them come on wapa we some the back we some beka ho and we say definitely Ghana for beka so on back agent say man pani say allowance and then salary nyina no obetu ya ho tax
ana obi o ye be ate to tia ho tax na dey na dey me tia tax so man pani tia tax I didn't
doc yemfa we nkonkon hansa afa ni asam komose ye besa to aso da achi bi why we Dr. Samuel Edujamfi, we political historian. Watch that here, KNUST, and what's Kanenti hot bites Cassian and Twas one, and the Ademas and Kaukoba Kunua, Nankobano, Fabakuno, Nanka, as some Kabian yetri, as some may come back, make any nano, first one, no, near Yamidima for Basantano, one I make an asano. One who say what the Mubako pet will be in a nim or be in a chi. Yadia bia wo tu ase na ho atimi ato Dr. Time das no you had a kwan we bu akwa agogo ewo asante mantam woni aban sukuu no na di animhwe ena nkran ha so poku ase mayira udru ho a yadia na yira na ho atimi ato pa ne number is 0244 774 282 0244 774 282 and 0500 7272 15 0500 7272 15 na fe one no abo enkobo wadua ne die ukenke die no sebekọ ye pa dia now the whole dom just bread and pastries yana ye pan no ahodo nyina bie de na fe ye science de just what kenke e de abadwa man so a ye de boa pa betu ba akotre Ghana cedis na koton se ne open bia ye se bra ya kache ye wodome commercial bank na chi ho a e de butuo die numbers na frɛ ye o ye party o ye abadentuo gwemu ampota say ye a on be che ho nyina just what kenke eno a na gwemu ampota ya say wo mudi no ho an kakra saa enti onso bra na baji bi koton sesi a 0256 068 832 0256 068 832 ya odomi o commercial bank na chi ho a dom kwa benyamu an ye wei enti ya fa bi free ha na ya de gwemu ampota na ya de akwasa wo mo ho nyina na bibia atumi aye fine hot bite kase ne nto aso ya de ma osisi a
we in your can say do not open to this page until you are told to do so. Next one fair to me no. Yenya dru so ye da so agina enkomo no a na ye bite ne hot asase no mo. De yewra Dr. Dominic akrotenga ayine aboso ne no se mampani kura se obi chana de ana ebia wo tukwan ne say oh mampani wo koi giwe na fato nso eno ye nso allowance ni nyina yesa ho to wotua saa na nakatua aboso me won besese ni nyina ate ne senate afiri mu no wo mo de to account mu nso eno nso ho to wo besa so atua na se de doctor anyine wo sika no ni.
The government has also accepted the principle that the president should not enjoy tax exemptions by virtue of office alone. The president will pay taxes on his salary and allowances as well as the applicable indirect taxes on goods and services. The government has not, however, accepted the proposal to tax the president's retirement gratuity and pension, and the details of the president's tax liability will be worked out in the tax laws where such details belong.
Dr. Akrotenga Ayine wono eneye womai abaya wote so no ne lawyer penny attorney general ena wono akure ya so afọ o ha tentene so wona etua no na ate se wokasa yi
papa ya mane nsem na nso ha ene nsem no woburu bi pa na ba ko kan ye ne se we no ye fra no je chikwesin lo se ne na no mampani kura kan ye no se je chikwesin a wona ya abrochire so afọ abedi akiri wo se wo free Canada obi o ya Ghana na wanka jachi na obi ode jache de we si dem free Canada nanso bra wo ya adwuma Canada wo kwaje Canada fo nkrata se o mamentina ha anya adwuma no we ye wo ba ne kurom no oba he no ba be di ampia ya si ne nkrata ekita no ndi na so ye nti no wo ya Canada ni ye nti ma ne MP wo Ghana ha eno na constitution review committee wo mkọ asetena no mo ye bibia wie ye no je chikwesi law no mo de aba na mampani agye atum se de se he wo kwatena de Hague kura be se mpem ha how many years impo na afiwa na oba na so be di post bi e wo man Ghana mu a ye ba man kwan doctor Akurutenga Ayene ni nsem niye.
The government has also accepted a recommendation on dual citizenship. A citizen of Ghana by birth who holds the citizenship of another country will no longer be barred from contesting for election to parliament only on account of his or her dual citizenship and will not be required to renounce the other citizenship. The current disqualification sits uneasily with our engagement with the diaspora and with the realities of modern citizenship. In line with this proposal, it is also the case that multiple citizenship will no longer disqualify a person from becoming, from holding certain, offices, except that of president and vice president of the republic. So the fact that you have multiple citizenship will not bar you from becoming chief justice of the republic.
Sir, Ufria, Ukita America for Krata, now Kita UK Krata, Okaji Canada for Kradi account, now we are Iran and Iraq, now Kwajum the Akraka, Ubeti the chief justice of an Ubeti the vice president of President Krabedi. We a doctor, Akurutenga Ayene Dominic. Where we are no, and was Sunday to a children watch us say 1 year 275, abandoned 25 for Beckham. I'm an aqua could do 300, near the 300. Why? None of amount for Crabus, and yes, one my son, the chamber, no baby, I don't walk as well. See the chamber from a bar, see how from Mano, say 25 in a crown, and you move.
Will be elected, or the government has accepted that the size of parliament be capped, and we propose a ceiling of 300 members. Now, the current membership of parliament is 276. So of these, the 276 will be elected directly in constituency elections like we already have. The remaining 24 will be elected or selected through proportional representation among women, persons with disabilities, and the youth. An independent study will be commissioned into the design of the proportional representation element. Capping parliament saves costs, and the reserved element opens the door of our legislature wider to those our politics has historically kept on the outside.
Dr. Dominic Akurutenga Ayene, one year, a by lawyer penny, ja, odi animal, a judge a bank a crasa, and now 1 century for a bomb come out in some way to him.
Nina no na wonomo ebu nkonta echire niema hodoa womaimu eba sade constitutional review committee no wonomo eye wonomo nhyehyɛ edebeto mampani animu a ɛwɔ sɛ wɔde white paper to so na agya de yɛbɛgye atum yentumenyentum na enhyɛ ase enye adwuma no san komo no a ɛna na Dr. Dominic Anyene no wɔbobɔ so ewie no wɔsa be bie so sɛ sesei de afɛ ne sɛ amamuo no yanka yɛto abawie na womu yi asoafo no a ebewie obete na mampani abodin enkransa north teacher Efa Patrick teacher Pato una be DC wo ho enkransa south honorable Godfrey Dapa una be MC ewo anafo ho na wabɔ ha gye afa atidi ne wo brekum ene saa afa ho na ene ehwo ade nyina ne no ena Dr. Ayine say saa recommendations na wono mo ye de ba ne bi say aban krache na aban awurafo no ye ntimamufo ye beto wo mo so aban no nso ekoe no wono magye atum say tie bia enya duru so say ye wianya fe na aban beka say wei na wonkosi na namu anase bentin boy ho mpem say ebenya wo mo aben wa mamuonum ne nka ye bisa won say ye beka say wei no eyadenya kase ye nya na amomo no eben yen na so aba ne sanso a mampani ni nsusu ye ne na dwempo na nhyehyere ne manifesto odi ba be yadwuma no ne won beto aba yi no se woni aba na fa wo bebo amasa ade na timi aye adwuma we ya asema twetwere ye mbo a eno no nso ne ye bo ye ho mpem se betimi abo ne awuram ne ye di nkomo no wo mo
itikasia no ene ne nto asori nyina na ye de ma ho e wo sompa 106.5 FM ye ne yankrabata wi ase amansan nyina agikasia na tumu no ena ye de e ma wo no na ye free one ye de ni ahyem e wa bankasiem mampani John Yohane Dramani Mahama na kachi ne yegina sesi na wei nkrata ye free bankasiem aba Felix Kwachofosu ona na nsa hyase a watwetwe ne kama pa ene ntwoe no na edo so pa ene se mampani nyame adom a kwasi ada oni Ghana ha enti wo kwekura wadna chija ye nyina ya maame Professor Nana Jeno Poku Agima no wa hwa akiri se o mampani a wo hwa yeso ba time pa na ene se wo kwei wo bekọ ayi kwasi ada ene ye 2nd August na fe wa ba nyame adom a 5th August enti wo kwa kwedi dwuma so pa ene so na mampani kwei wo kwa mfa no so ko Jamaica mampani ko Jamaica ena wo kwa de ono so Ghana ni Jamaica de oh see wo long time ankomo a ye kan kura ye nwie da eno kura hwe na no a asem to wo mu ye de regimental team yi na engineers ye ohoi wo beba camp yi ene ye so mom ko chechire Jamaica enti Ghana de ni Jamaica de wo de ye tie se ne ye kapaya wo mo kana papaya oh enti ye ni wo mo kasa kura ase ene ye ni wo mu kuro se enti na du ba bi a ne ye ka chom se mo nkose no mo nso maka kosai na nsa mu nyina no ho kosani kosai eye pepepe enti Caribbean country no de oh Ghana no mo wayo nkofa pa na wo kwese wo de hwe wo nani ba kire mu ewo University of West Indies ena fe Mona campus wo no wo bakọ ho sa West Indies wo no eho ena na Marcus Garvey na wodi ne dwuma kase pa ya na no kra culture one stone wo born nwom a wo de to so say in the West Indies na wo ka ho asem no enti wo hwe Ghana ne se ne ye ne wo mo nkomo no tie no a na so wo kọ na odi kan ne wo mo kọbọ nkomo kase pa ena bio wo mo aye honi kase pa wo Jamaica national hero wo mo de na ye honi kase national hero American asem Marcus Garvey ya wo mo aye ne mfoni kase honi ya chese wo mo aye nse nyame wo kọ ja wo mre na akwa kire ne ho sanka ha ye kwa me nkroma yi ye de kwa me nkroma no museum ho na ye ne de no kama pa na ye de ne mfoni abọ ho kakra na ya frɛ Jamaica mampani se wo mra no wo mehwe saa bie pepepe ene bekoso eno nti wo kwa nyina no wo kwa kwa nyina kama na saa West Indies University wo na wo bekọ no kra no high level preparation dialogue wo mo de bekoso ya mampani kra no wo bekasa wa ase wo wie pe na fe wod nani akire mu ewo Seville Heritage Park eno wo St Anne ewo nso obakoto ho kakra na no nso the Ghanaian village houses a ewo ho nyina no ekire oman Ghana ye yayonkofa ewo ye ni Jamaica fo ntam ye nananom se de no mu di ebinum kurase Ghana no kura fi Jamaica na bae eno nti de ewo Jamaica nkontomire ewo Ghana ha se no entini nyina no obekọ no wod nani akwa hwehwe mu pa wo wie pe ye san hwanim se sane ya da ya na ye no bilateral talks of the office of the Prime Minister no woni o man Ghana mampani ebesen hia no madi nkomo na nkomo no kase paan ebehwe agyadie wo mbehwe ne yie paan na mabọ sa nkomo no kwan a Jamaica ne Ghana bekoso adidwa na akoyie paan afei yamane ani amamre oba hase a boysi obia ya rasta omo rasta ndom ye paan na emom amamre ta akire ne yede ne nyina yebesua bi ena afei ye ntamo nkitahudie no ne nyina nso ya ne kama pa enu achi wobesan akọ kasa ewo joint sitting of Jamaica's House of Parliament ewo George William Gordon House sani ahayamra se bedwam ho sei obekọ akọ kasa obekọ na ja wakọ hwese ne omo yom ne ma ho na wo wi a na former a state dinner Jamaica for one more Governor General Sir Patrick Allen and Lady Allen one more King's House war hanka bankasim. Na honso so wako ho nanka wakwa kodi nkomo ho na ja omo akototo niam kakra ne omako papa nto kakra e wo ho na bibia atumi aye fine we nyina no ye nia efrimu ba Ghana mampani wo Jamaica na wakwa kodi nkomo e wo ho na bibia atumi aye fine ye hwe se sa nkomodie we nyina beko na wiye na be kakra fie ko Jamaica ne ahia no bag potomanto na wa maso na akwa Jamaica na bibia aye fine we ye nkrata efra bankasi maba eda ne akire kama sompa so nie ede amawo.
And Krata anonso Kesepa we every office of the Attorney General and Ministry of Justice. Ya eura akrotinye dano no eho ne friba. Na Krata echere ma me sedinam atieno tamaklu ya kane no wada microfinance and small loan center no the charity after the Maslow chief executive officer we wo modern tansa makoma kodu so nwotwe egu ne tiri so se waye hwe ha mo me aboka eno ne kese a na edadodo na no willfully causing financial loss to the state eno achi wo mo san bobo so kura se causing loss to public property eno state ne de anso ho ewi ekura no wo mo san ka se wo ye na adwene se wo bobo kro no na kro no no so ane wo boy na wo bono nso nyese wono nko na boy woni bi mu na ka bo mu na wo mo ya adwene se wo mbebo na mpa adwene no wo mo ye ne sa na ewie ma wo man no ahwiri sika puduo pa ye betime de ayade ama afoforo abrabo asesa ne se hunti wo se emra no so obi di society ye nti wani mra no so de ne wo se mra no edi no na mra na edi no nso de mfinhyi adu wo kwa kwadu adabamponachi ekwawie na ma mi ni Ghana ene ye twen no kasa ho a wo mo ebe twen camera si wo mo anim ayede atobuku no so wo mo nyina ayoyoe ni wiase pa no so injiran kanyame ye wo hwa se maami na wo mo de na efiri adupire ma efiri wo firi ye nso no wo mo akura ne se bede pakapaka de so wonte apo na wo mo de na ekọ 7 na ayi ekwawie ye no court of appeal wo ma kire se maami no santansa do so nwotwe ye de aboni no bibie ne ho a yenya ya danse trodo a ye de no atachire senti wonkonkodan na duafie enti ase sabi ye de ya no na ama wo kwa akodem ne se hunti wo mo akwa akoye appeal ne no na her leadership justice afia se wa sare botwe ya na sabre no wote agwamu no ekowie aseme bobo ba ya ese ma me omfa ne ho wonkonkodi Ghana fo bi asase ye kasa eno na ye wura Attorney General de krata aba kire se saadi ya akoso a wo mo kan wo mo akire na de friend se wo mo wi a yemfa ni nyina nkohye Supreme Court nsa no wo mo nso neneni sade eko appeal no saa na ese ekose maame no wo mfa ne ho nkonkodi esanse Ghana fo bi ahase ayete se wo wasa to mo bo wo mo hwene wo akire ho na no nso akoyete se court da ho abubu ende nko ba bi enu doketim ne se hunti we no wo mo hwe ani mo se Supreme Court ebetimi asisudua na ne ebesi akire no sompa kase aha ne yaboso ye de beso
na wasansem no amu no ena kane aban lawyer pani ya na ohwe atentre ne so o man Ghana mu me am ofa ase Godfred ye bo adame wono de na no ato asem no bi se we send you ofa akrobeto be kan wono obeti we wase ne saade ya o maye we wo mo makire mu na Attorney General nse da nkoya ne ho se se me ka se me kwa appeal na appeal no na se 15 years na on train appeal ni wie na maame ne tifie saa na watifie onu amukura no wo mre ne ba Ghana ha na kura na manfo wonsem ka ye fa ho se maame mukura no enka ye kwa kuma na odomankoma crisp odomankoma bite eni odomankoma sobolo enso na ye hu na kira kwan eno nti wonum na no makirem eno na Godfred ye bo adame de atodwa no che se dina atuonu tamaklu wo mo atimi agya no wobreko a yesusu se wadi oman Ghana dwirim enam ne nsa so sika oman na hwere no by this time kan kranza kwan ya no mo ye kro mo nyanwie nka atimi akwa ya agye nsesa kra aba be watermelon street aguso asa agye nsesa na nso ye ba ne enko kam ye nti a George fo miensa ekwatena ayi appeal ne so no Justice Emmanuel Ankama wano nyame ne ye wo ho wano ka ho Emmanuel Senyo Amedahe wano so ka ho ena Samuel Obindi awuo wama kwa kwadi oman na wu ena Godfred ebo ada ma kire se sa wudie we pa wama die idie Attorney General mra no makirem na wonya nso wari bo adum ni adan no na appeal ya wasan ko appeal bio eno nkwa de won tiase
because said now was convicted on very credible evidence and all, and he conducted the appeal to find out from the current attorney general what he feels about the acquittal of Sedela and why he said now was acquitted. I don't know why she was acquitted. It cannot be the case at all. You see in the judgment of the High Court, Sedela actually absconded after she had actually been confronted with the evidence led by the prosecution. It was not for nothing. So I'm saying, find out from the kind of attorney general. You know the kind of opposition that he mounted to the appeal, or was there any opposition at all? I don't know.
We are also a appeal Ukraine. Didn't know appeal. We appeal Ukraine. Now what on general now hobby. Now we need more office go ho. Master da kwot na ho. Akọ bie mu nsam. Akọye hwe ha. Amawiema. A judge vote me ka say prosecution here na oda no aye prosecution witness a munyina mo ye adwuma no. Wakogina ho say I say prosecution failed to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt. Ade aye jailing no 10 years no. Monko defend 10 years a. Mokoya no makoya nhwe ha ebie mo anu to se ne nsuo every mupie agu fom ama enwanse na kura wurawuram ama George abu agu musu se ya afa na abeko Supreme Court akoya appeal wo mra no machirim Godfrey ebo adamensem no
ene court ho a na ejina na kane nafco penimpa mechere National Food Buffer Stock Company owura Abdul Wahab Hanan wone ne do yire asem no ana wo mugina so ana na okura wo ba ya wo mo so ne panchi adan se wakwa akansum se wo kwakoyi sika binom ne ho ade no court san kwa asetena biu na Accra High Court Specialized Court 1 no wo mo kwa asetena ne na papai na lawyer fo ne na nkrofo be kire se de na no no wo mo kan ye se wakwakoyi sika wa akansum nti yemfa ba monitorim wo mremu no ne nyina ye na pomuden enti apomuden no na no wo kwa akohwe enkomo no nso se de wo musiki kan no ema court ne gitumu ehye ne se wo de se wonti apa wo mo mare kwan se wonko no wonkonko ne homra se de nkae se okoye ne check up na fi waje ne nuro di aba na eno achi wasan ba be gina mre nanim na emra no ene na sesa aboa so se de etie na emum se wie na ne ho son dia wo befa ne ho akwa akodi na se ne ho ankoye son na emra ne bubo ne dia se etie bia se de emra no ese no wo be di so sa enti kwa wie no nya se ne wo maja ase ne di ewi ana yewura Hanan Abdul Wahab wo pie free court ho na ja se de court na hye no no wo nante nya se free man wo ko na mu wo be san ba bio nanso ensam ne niye ne aka akire no na lawyer fo no wo court a wo mu de egusu a na eno nso koso yi de be pie free akire no SOMPA kase
ye to akase no so na akopie mu e wo prosifo wo no mu akache we ye wo mu aye hwehwemu pa Criminal Investigation Department CID baby a mini aba Lydia yakodonko wo hye no ehọ na ye kasa de free sesi e na transna nche na aduru so san say wo mo nsam no de wanya akonwa antena so a eduru so ebe ha adwene pa wonom kire say sesei esan enwuma ya eni ho enwuma de no krese bi ni ho enti amanfo nam kwati kwan so ene nam social media ena wo mu bu nkrofo fa so social media no so oh wonte ye obrempon ye recruitment o enso no wante da oh say odomankoma bite kra wo mo pe vendors o na enso no wante da o no waka no sa bonse wa ye flyer bi no dey send o no send number to ase oh wo dey frehwe we ye see wo no number odomankoma chiame no wo dey frɛ o fra oh no ano agye so yes odomankoma chiame ni dey na menyema ho o me pe adwuma no obi send o number ma okay and e be wi ase no kakran sa wo de kakran sa obehu ano agye no Ghana hanso de ade aban kura gisika firi amanfo ho ansa mafo adwuma eno nti obehu azo ene ali se otua sei ansa na mafo adwuma anya how de fa forms anya how de yesei wudi yesei sa eno omde nam no omde gi amanfo sika sa eno na Lydia yakodonko ene bra se Ghana ye de ho kodom Human Trafficking Act ye criminalize ye no 20 years ni ena wo mo bo ho nko no mo chese we nyina koso nyina no still amanfo gusu bu amanfo fa so na ebra wo di 20 years na amanfo gusu bu amanfo fa so with sophisticated ideas ya wo de gisika free nkrofo ho no Lydia yakodonko chire mu sei.
The Criminal Investigation Department, through the Anti-Human Trafficking Units, we have investigated cases involving child trafficking, forced labor, domestic servitude, sexual exploitation, and transnational trafficking networks. In 2025 alone, the Anti-Human Trafficking Unit at the CID headquarters received 1 COVID-19 cases to court and secure 8 convictions. Through sustained national effort and partnerships, Ghana has maintained its Tier 2 ranking in the U.S. Department of State Trafficking in Persons reports. However, trafficking is becoming increasingly sophisticated. Traffickers are no longer relying only on physical recruitment. They are using social media, smartphones, digital platforms, and encrypted messaging services to identify, recruit, and exploit victims across borders.
We Mami Lydia Yako Donko. Wanono, we COP, Commissioner of Police, one fan kanwa. Police contempt to create me foul. Enti COP Lydia Yako Donko. Ena wakasa on central for enche munasa bra na Ghana. Yenya 20 years. Bra yakofa Human Trafficking Act no edeba say amanfo nam social media no so eno mu bu amanfo fa so saa obehu ya se fa webra fa webra saa eno no cheche mu obrofo kasa ma kire mu akankasa mu dia ma wo
enti unyati blue day enya ba ko ne bia ni nyina no eye World Day Against Trafficking in Persons eno na ye friend sa blue day no enti July boso mi kutansa da to so da duasan bia eye da wo mo yesi wo afi bia wo mo de kaye na no no wo man yesu afo a wo hwe ema merima mofra asetena mu yedie ho nsam na emu bambo so wo ba pa na mo late no wo wase na ewie no ne de a wo de man na oponchecheku se wo ne so mpaka se encheni.
Government institutions, law enforcement agencies, civil society organizations, and our international partners have transformed our national response. The results speak for themselves. And please, I still feel intimidated by the recent figures from Ghana Immigration Services. Victims rescued has increased steadily over the period, from 821 victims in 2021 to 846 in 2022, rising further to 1,089 in 2023. Most significantly, in 2025, Ghana recorded 2,331 rescued victims, the highest number in the past 5 years.
Yo, we omai swafwa or gender, children and social protection. Mame Agnes na momulate. Na sa jumadi krona asie no. Na OBREMPONG adamfo no. Omo eye immigration ho no. Deputy Controller General of Migration in charge of operation. DCGI face adisu no ho. Wono nso ne de odeja oponi.
And in this year alone, we have received over 150 Ghanaian detainees who were received by fraudulent employment offers. Furthermore, in close coordination with international partners, and in this year alone, we are receiving transit rates as demonstrated by the safe return of approximately 1,551 Ghanaian migrants from Libya. These figures are just between January and July of this year. The Ghana Immigration Service has migration information centers across the regions where anyone, any member of the public can just walk in for reliable and full of facts. Your dreams are not long and no one should exploit them for profit.
Wano eneye penny ya wotria Migration for no sabedi Deputy Comptroller General of Immigration in charge of operation. DCGI face adisu ena ne na oponchecheku edi sankomo yi.
Yetwa ensem ne so ewo ensem foforo mu na ene ukopiem ogomu ampota ayekenke amanfo dijo sort kenke papa ewo ho anya asem kuma ni nyina ne se ene ena na wo mo ye Apostle Emeritus Engineer Dr. Kodesafo wo mo ye na ayi na so eye no enra ene ye de betu anim se amanfo akwaje ntolokotiri njunction e de akoto eye ne so yeah still na preparation ye hot bite nyina no na preparation eguso a ekoso na sabre ye ka se ya Dr. Sian wono na wo ye abusuan no wo mo churchfo pani wono akasa de afa ho ene wo kire se Sadia we ya kwaswi se wan ka bi pa fa ho a na enwo no a doc spoke inside.
abusua de ye jimredi enim se Ghana police for ebeye amafamu de ye besere omo ye mpese de mra behye yensemunti na ye so ye organizing course ye kwa contract de omo ye wo ye bibia hye omo nsa enim se omo ebetimi am make sure say the court kan ye no ebeye tan se ye bana de wasini bo se de obeye na obeye na wagu ne papa ene mase omo intelligent de hu se casket bia kopi omputa se ye kan na emom transition no ye ya de nyina na ka ba ko ne hu se omo hyada de akwa kusi wo e de adaka asim so hu se minim se bia omo trekio ama ya adwa akoso se hona omo da so makoyi na so munkoyi no enti pepe me ka sai e ka ne si wo adaka asim a obia eni hu ye de kan e jimredi enti no court na ebetimi ene court edi nkomo
we aya Dr. Siano no one ya church former abusia no eno acha se senti amo anko hwe no o mbeso mbese ayi no wo de omo nyomo de na bibia anya boko na se ukopie mu o transition se sie ya agya nchen ho no ukopie transition a ko hwe se nyame anya wadom na se wo de wo ka e na etwa mu de a go slow bia be disu wo ho ansa na de akwa akodru anim ho bia ha atwo main station ho no e chenkrei sanse pempima wo mo sini ho no nya asem kuma na bretu ba na yesoma na ma ne ko ho a ye dia mane bretu kwa ba
uju so odomankoma
na bibia boko de
nyame adom krukru mu ayakwa ba
mo
bia woko
wo na wo transition ho wo kwa no mo transition apostle na mu no anasa wo ko ye no na wo mo so abefa ko wie na mo bo emu na aka no ho ban wo ho de na esi ho
odomankoma ansem de am say ni nyina na waka no ene ewo forgotten country so that time ni nyina na migirigina yes ampotemo transition potemo said the ahwefo hwe no Facebook no na me na me ye bibia ho na ena no miduru ho no post bambo adwumakuo ndie odomankoma me nkan enda da tiefo o mayre so pampe pa wo sa fam ho yi wo hwe other side ho na road no o ma block friends apuye ni atoye barrier pa odomankoma ya bono wo sa area ni mu no na enye easy na miduru ho na me ne woman bi awo sa side ho na baby aka yisi o branch back akra bi a e ba kwan no ho woman bi wo ho ana me se o ene me firi ha ne ha ntim ba me ne twetwe nkomo na nkomodidem na mko bi sa ne se mami from anapa up to time ana me miduru ho no sen wo no batimi atena wa ton ade a sen na bibia akọ ana o chie mu chie se anopa na oba ende kikiri ba ha yes mami sara adwo aso honorable oba senka obefa ne papa amu no nemom aposifo se injunction na court de atoso ne de till sa court ni beyi no omumma ho kwan ma eye busuani bia entimi nko inside ntena nam so ma kikiri kakra e baaye na minim de akoba ya entiase ye adwuma mami sara adwo asafo etu ne ka one ne dom kakra mbaaye se nko mbefa apostle emu no puha eno mutu koye
na say okoye without a body
yes okay yes entimisa akosu bisa aye okada drivers okada riders na omo onu so omo de omo kwana bi omo timi wurawuram and mi bisa omo na asema omo kan ne say omo according to omo no omo say omo hu say Sarah Joseph mami ninua no ede mrantie bi nso egina lungu kwana
aye akofana
yes
okay
according to allegedly. Yes say enka eba say gomba be fa omo so nye ehwe say de ye di amu no be free transition ho e de akogomu ha
ye amanfo ni bi
yes according to
okay ye ni hu adanse
according to okada riders no omo ho no ana me ka me ye right inside ho e transition ho ankasa unse enka me pe
opese wura ho na ko no omo
yes bibisa ho ba aposi for na echiremu me say omu ntimi mame ho kwan e ma me wura inside if you say e court injunction omo de atoso enya sa de akoma mame ho kwan nanka ma wura inside ba o si ni nyina mu no e bia nyambo echina memra back na me no omu PR nso medidi nkomo
thank you mame nkwa homa na so mra sisi ana kwaku adam agwemu ampota ye kwo ho ne akwo sesi a mu na ama no omo aye honi ni bi di na si ho de ama no sai bia omo de da no ana still kwaku majo
Menia mejozo
minimsa wo apomu ye
twede ampo adumte me ho dem pa
mo wono akopie mu ogwemu ampota eja efri odupon kpehe kasuwa ede kwa kosi mpota ho ankasa empo gwai ede ba nyina no amanfo ni bia ba na mi hu sa asorefo ni mi a eno akra ye ka asem obi ansi ho no ne mi hu sa asorefo ni bi ho twonfo ni kire yen sen na hote na so far how far
yo many anana bebre na mi wa be mu e wo gomwa empota na seni ayi na ye ni mo every anapa no yamba manie abe pem so amere ayi guso e ba manie no ade se gomwa empota e wo aye bija enye asam ketwa me nyina se wo pie mu e wo gomwa empota eye okuni obrempong bi a kete sambre onyankopa so safre no e wo maiga ne mu ha eye apostle Doctor Emeritus Kojo Safo Sambre ne yo na me no ekase ekoso e wo wamputa eye asara tetwa na senya na dam fra me mo se yo no enkoso no ene de me no ekase yo no akoso kama ma senya akame mo no yesufa eye na etrese ye bon sawa na ye kinkan abakwa se me kire tribute ni abia no ya se ni na aposi ya eye asabuketwa na mene wo kase die ya se eyi no enebe yi ye de enebe no nyina no aba na ewie ye a ye hwe nyame anu ekena ne ebekọ so na ekrese na ne tenso na eda ye se no kwesi ada de ye ni biribia aba na ewie ya bibia ebekọ yie na ye nyina ye ni mo se eye ye ni aba lawyer Adwa Sapo na Sambre ono eye oba ode ntama abo ni mu a ejese oye nefu egia ebufiafo ne asorifo ne enuano a ifiri etiti ne benche ye nyina no wo mu abeta etire na chese na na ma yimponso ka ho na chese bibia etini ayekana nene de ye ko ye no na eyade se abamu mpenimfo de eyade a obia etini ebaye isan injansha yuze wo mare ato eyo ne tuntuni ebia eye no na etinyama aba no ta ne mom na ma info na apenso no eye otebo de daraman ayi ni se wo munya na wo mo ebua se bibia de koyie na apenso no enipa bebrebe efia tantememu nyina no adese wo mu mo ni nyam ebe sai dimedi ne chi a bibia etini ekọ kama samri ya mene waka se de wo mo eye de nyoma nyina no aba ebie na tese wo ma sori o eyo no so
yo kwaku ebra no nti mayamfa nsi hansa na free nyame ya adom ochina de ekọ no ye besa ya ba ne abehwe se so far ya emu no ye nsie ye nanso emu no nne ye nase no sai no manfo na eka de afa ho no de free nyame ya adom ochina kọ fo atoto fom na gada ni nyina
emu ne we ye na se me na be emu ne we ye na se
emu na bedru
oh me na be ma emu no we ye na se na emu no we ye na se
emu na almost ye di ntolokotiri njwanhia atoso a amanfo allegedly ebo alanga de se emu no ma na embedru ho no ayira bedru ho
emu no bedru ya nsa ye firi eyi yo na se
ene ensam wa kire kwaku ebra ni nti yemfa nsi ya ye batu aso nyame ado kira wate
yo me na
right kwaku adama no wa confirm say muna bedru gomu amputa muti ha na maji bambo transition ebusia we kwaku adama no eni wo so ti bretu medase why mo bretu na no so odi kan ko transition di transition amanebo de ebre ye no na emuna kodu mputa a mo pota bibia awie eye de paso hima age ne nsa abode na kina besa atena se abuka de ne aka ato aso de o ma mani botete mi pe ye ba sisi a
TV Emma Akatuapa
and okra Emma Akatuapa and Pabusha Korean 7 ewo Spain abrochimemu na sade heat wave ya sha se wo ho no wo mo pa baabi kura de wo mo tirafa nanso wono mo se yankwankwa hwe a efa wo mo bia ya baabi e no ya po no ano ho baabi a wo mo gyatempon ato agate da no siuta ho nipa na wo mo dware som enya nipa kuma na nipa wo mo dware no enya se bia de na no honorable A+ koye wo gomuai bia o se wo mutime so emede ji wo mani no na mo wo mo pakwan dwana awuremu wo Spain na abusua bra Facebook no so na behwe nipa na atete agu nsom saa te se de wo mo de koko nan eposo na mboto na titi gumu no nipa wo mo kope green pasture na wo mo chese enya ne edi kan ni o etasi wo saa kweta afa ho no na enche kura wo betimi aka ne se nipa be se mpemienu ko mpemiensa na wo mo abobode awura ho ya wode ya mu ye nei enso ho still wo mo sa egugu so na interior minister Fernando Grande Malaska ena wo che se we bia wo mo hwe no wo mo hwe ni mu se enuru eda chena fiada na de wo mbenya afiri mu no epi nipa ebro sa wo mo sa wo mo intelligence ni didi nkomo ehunu kwampa wo befa so atwa aba sa asemia no nanso straight of Gibraltar ho na wo mo nam edeba ewo pono so na sede mu nsam ebobokro no frefre unua bia wakwa akofa mpotemu afa Libya so wonya Spain obeko ebia no watete akwa akofa nzo no so bi meka say wakodi nsenseme o mpanimfo nsa no
medimafo aba center bedi ama won na fe Joshua Kenke yede bia ma ne won wo breko a wo mpanimfo nsam yi wo madawro ma no wo so yasene so mpankora bata ne nyina afaaye ema adamfo pa radio butu France wo geye enu mu no adayi ukwie mu kan ahia ban radio so a wo mo fa akase kama ena Adama FM 100.7 Kingdom 106.1 enso mankasi mu a wono so efa bie yede wasi enuanu a eje bre ade kase bre wona sentogasi adabro ma de ko Facebook ni social media ni nyina so no eye me wodomankoma chiame obrempon na KWUKU AMPOMAH mene
triple man APPIAH APAM DADAA
ya matiefo nyina moniti a wogie nya ado ye sori die dwumadi nkaye eto aso ama
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa, what about to be a new? Se me feel London, eko US. Na no kwa ru kru kru afra me gba mamania. Na papa